Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program of human resource management on chapter 9. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. What does promotion usually involve? A. Status drop. B. Pay cut. C. Status rise. D. Job loss. Answer for this question is C. Status rise. Question number 2. What is a transfer? A. Downward shift. D. Lateral move. C. Rise in pay. D. Training program. The answer for this question is B. Lateral move. Question number 3. What is the main feature of a dry promotion? A. Bonus. B. No rise. C. Free time. D. Less work. The answer for this question is C. No rise. Question number 4. Which base of promotion ensures fairness and objectivity? A. Age. B. Loyalty. C. Seniority. D. Appearance. The answer for this question is C. Seniority. Question number 5. What is a key problem with merit-based promotion? A. Unions dislike it. B. Costs more. C. Hard to measure. D. Too slow. The answer for this question is C. Hard to measure. Question number 6. What is a common issue with seniority-based promotion? A. Bias. B. Favors youth. C. Encourage growth. D. Demotivate talents. The answer for this question is D. Demotivate talent. Question number 7. What is a production transfer? A. Based on skills. B. Due to strikes. C. Due to output change. D. For punishment. The answer for this question is C. Due to output change. Question number 8. Which transfer helps expand employees' skills? A. Shift. B. Rotation. C. Panel. D. Remedial. The answer for this question is B. Rotation. Question number 9. What is the goal of remedial transfer? A. Reward staff. B. Fix wrong placement. C. Reduce pay. D. Cut labor. The answer for this question is B. Fix wrong placement. Question number 10. Why might an organization use panel transfer? A. For rewards. B. For job rotation. C. For discipline. D. For safety. The answer for this question is C. For discipline. Question number 11. Which is a voluntary separation? A. Suspension. B. Retirement. C. Discharge. D. Layoff. The answer for this is the retirement. Question number 12. What causes involuntary separation? A. Career change. B. Family move. C. Employer decision. D. Relocation. The answer for this one is C. Employer decision. Question number 13. Quitting a job is likely when dash. A. Pay is high. B. Work is easy. C. Alternatives exist. D. Training improves. The answer for this question is C. Alternatives exist. Question number 14. What makes retirement more predictable than quitting? A. Occur anytime. B. Tied to age. C. Done silently. D. Require warnings. The answer for this question is B. Tied to age. Question number 15. Which is a type of involuntary separation? A. Transfer. B. Promotion. C. Layoff. D. Resignation. The answer for this question is C. Layoff. Question number 16. Which is a key concern in layoff? A. Status gain. B. Work freedom. C. Moral drop. D. Overtime load. The answer for this question is moral drop. Question number 17. What is a discharge often based on? A. Birthday. B. High skill. C. Poor fit. D. New policy. The answer for this question is poor fit. Question number 18. Which HR service supports laid off staff? A. Disciplinary action. B. Onboarding. C. Outplacement. D. Counseling. The answer for this question is C. Outplacement. Question number 19. What is a key goal of outplacement? A. Boost lay-off numbers. B. Avoid court cases. C. Cut payroll costs. D. Eliminate unions. The answer for this question is B. Avoid court cases. Question number 20. Outplacement helps dash. A. Delay pay. B. Reduce morale. C. Preserve image. D. Speed dismissal. The answer for this question is C. Preserve image. Okay, this is all about question and answer program of chapter 9 of human resource management. Thank you viewers for attending this program.